Hi guys, welcome to Dharani's Max channel. Before going into this video, please like and subscribe for more videos. So in this video, we are going to cover chapter 1, number system. Solve the examples before exercise 1.4 and we are also going to complete exercise 1.4 in this video. So let's see, first we solve the example, that is 11th solved example. So here, visualize the representation of 5.377 dots on the number line up to 5 decimal places. That is up to, they have given the number within 5 decimal places. So we are going to represent a decimal number on the number line. So here it is a non-terminating number as they have represented with dots, and they have asked to represent only 5 decimal places. So what are the 5 decimal places? That is, after the point you should have just 5 digits that they have given here. So we have also represented irrational numbers, that is root numbers on the number line. So we are going to learn how to represent decimal numbers on the number line. First we are going to take a normal number line, that is -3, -2, -1 and so on till 6, as they have asked here 5. So what we are going to do is, we are going to represent 5 on the number line plus 1, 6, and if we split we can get this number line here. So we are going to just take 5.1, 5.2, we can see 9 subdivision between them, that is 5.1, 5.2, 5.3 and so on till 5.9. So here we are going to take 5.3, that is here you can see 5.3 plus 1, 5.4. When we split we can take 5.3 and 5.4 and 9 subdivisions between them. So 5.31, 5.32, 5.33 and so on till 5.39. We have to represent 5.37. So search for the number 5.37, that is we are seeing here, and plus 1, 5.38. So split further and we will see 9 subdivisions between them, 5.37, 5.371, 5.372 till 5.379. So what is the number that we require is 5.377. So here we can see 5.377 on the number line, and we are going to take plus 1 and split further, that is 5.377 and 5.378. So when we split we have to just add 1, 2 and 3 so on till 9. Just numbers we have to add till 9. So the next number that is required is 5.377, and here you can see 5.377 plus 1, 5.3778. So we are going to split further and we can see 9 subdivisions between them, that is 5.37771 till 5.37779. So what they have asked to find, 5.37777. So here you can see 5.3777, and we have also represented on the number line. As they have asked only to find till 5.3777, that is 5 decimal places, we have just completed here and we have got the answer and represented on the number line. So we have completed the solved examples before exercise 1.4. So now it's going to be exercise 1.4. So let's see the first sum in exercise 1.4. Visualize 3.765 on the number line using successive magnification. So what is successive magnification? That is in the last sum, that is last solved example, we have taken a method that is to represent a decimal number on the number line. We have taken a method to split the numbers and we are going to represent on the number line. That method is called successive magnification. Same we are going to use here to represent 3.765 on the number line. So here we are going to take a normal, as I said in the before solved example, we are going to take a normal number line that is containing integers -3, -2, -1 so on till 4, or rather than that 5, 6 also we can take. So as here the first number is 3, we are going to take the number 3, that is plus 1, 3 and 4. So when we split between them, we can see 9 subdivisions, that is 3.1. Just add a point plus 1, then point plus 2 plus 3, so on till 9, 3.9. So when we do like that, here they have said to represent 3.7, and we are going to take the number 3.7 on the number line, plus 1, 3.8. When we further split them, we can see another 9 subdivision between them, that is 3.7 and 3.8. Between them 3.71, 3.72 till 3.79. So they have said to represent 3.76. Check for the number 3.76 on the number line and do plus 1, that is 3.77, and split further. So when you split further, we will get 9 subdivisions between them, and it is going to be 3.761, 3.762 and so on till 3.769. So they are said to represent 3.765 on the number line, and we are going to search for the 3.765 on the number line, and it is here. So thus we have represented 3.76 on the number line using successive magnification. So next sum, exercise 1.4, second sum. Here visualize 4.2626 on the number line up to 4 decimal places. They have asked to represent this particular number up to 4 decimal places on the number line. So as we have seen what is successive magnification, we know that splitting of numbers and representing them on the number line is called successive magnification. So this method we are going to try out here. So they have asked it to represent 4 decimal places. So after the decimal we should have only 4 digits. So here 4.26, why they have represented with bar, because here they have said it is dot dot dot, and so here 26 and 26 is going to be repeating, so the bar is on both the numbers that it is going to be repeating. So up to 4 decimal places, here 4.2626. So we are going to take a normal number line as we have said in the before slides, as I have said in the before slides. So in the normal number line we are going to take integers, that is of -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. So in that particular number line we are going to take 4. So if we take 4, we have to take the next number. If we take just like as 4, the number line will be keep on going as 5, 4.9, 5.0, 5.1, 5.2 and so on. It will be going, it will not be ending. So we are going to take another number to stop the number line, that is 5. That is only next to that, right? 4 after 5. If we take 4 before 3, we can get only 3.9, 3.8 and 3.7. It will just lower, so that we can't represent the particular number. So we are going to take 5 and going to stop this number line. So when we take 4.1, 4.2 will appear, and we need 4.2. So we are going to take the first digit as 2, and here you can see 4.2, and as such here we have done right 4 and 5. So we are the next number is going to be 4.3. we are going to just split it. When we split, we should of course get 9 subdivisions, and we need 4.26. Here you can see 4.26, so we should plus one number, that is after that number we are going to take, and again we are going to split, and the next number is going to be 4.262. So what we are going to do next, we should split the 4.26 and 4.27, so that 9 subdivision appear, and in that subdivision we will obviously get the particular number we want to represent. So they have asked to represent 4.262, and here we can see 4.262. So plus 1, that is after that number what number is there, again we are going to split. As they have asked to represent 4 decimal places, till we are going to get 4 decimal places we are going to split. Okay, here you can see 4.262 and 4.263 are splitted, and 9 subdivision between them. So they have asked to represent 4.2626. So find for the number 4.2626, and here you can see 4.2626. So thus here you can mark it as that we have represented 4.2626 and we have got it on the number line. So this is the successive magnification method, and we have also got the answer on the particular number line. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, comment, share. See you in the next video.